Welcome back here with us on Times Now. Viewers, the Aravalli Hills, one of the world's oldest mountain ranges, has been trending on social media. The hashtag Save Aravalli movement has captured public attention after Supreme Court's November 20 verdict, in which the court adopted the Environment Ministry's criteria that only hills rising 100 meters or more above local relief or clusters of such hills within 500 meters will be officially recognized as part of the Aravalli range. The court also banned the grant of fresh mining leases in areas spanning Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat until expert reports are completed. However, many environmentalists have warned that the new ruling could leave nearly 60% of the ancient range open to mining. Not just online, concerned citizens have also taken to the streets to express their anger over the Supreme Court ruling. They want the hills, considered the green lungs of northern India, to be protected from exploitation. Many experts have also warned that exploiting the mountain range could expose regions, including Delhi, to harsher weather and drought conditions as well in the future. Let's also now tell you a little bit about why these hills hold so much importance in the northern belt. And the reason is the entire range spans across 700 kilometers across northwest India. It acts as a crucial barrier against sand from Thar Desert. It plays a very crucial role in groundwater recharge. It helps in biodiversity conservation. It supports, in fact, ecological balance in Delhi NCR region as well. It supports a variety of flora and fauna. It's home to ancient settlements as well as heritage sites, and all of them clearly are going to be in danger, and that's the reason why there's a lot of concern. Let's go across to my colleague Kritika, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Kritika, we were just trying to explain to our viewers here the main issue, but what is it that the people on the ground have to say?
Well, yes, in fact, as far as the people are concerned, they have started an online campaign called the Aravalli Bachao Citizen Collective. Now, this collective is guaranteeing that because of this recent change in the definition of what is considered Aravalli, our water, our air, as well as our landforms will be under danger. And they're calling for, in fact, a revocation of this order, which only allows peaks up to 100 meters to be considered as a Aravalli, because they believe that only those peaks will be in fact saved and preserved. Now, remember, as far as the national capital is also concerned, Aravalli acts as a natural ecological barrier. It also protects this region from desertification, which is onwards from the Thar Desert. A lot of dust that comes into Delhi would be multifold if the Aravallis were not in existence. Now, even peaks up to 20 to 30 meters are very effective in fact blocking such dust carrying winds that are not western bound. This is the main cause of concern that in fact residents are raising, that if there is only going to be recognition for 100 meters of peaks, then the other peaks will be under threat of being mined or destructed, or in fact haphazard urbanization could also take place on the other previously protected areas, which would then again lead to irreversible ecological damage.
Right.
Remember, Aravalli range is older than the Himalayan range as well. So people are also saying it is not only an ecological issue, it is also a historical one, because no matter what, a mountain cannot be regrown. There are, of course, concerns with the wildlife preservation as well. Over to you.
Right. Kritika, stay on with us. We have my colleague Mohit also joining us from Gurugram at this point in time. Mohit, इस मामले को लेकर हमने देखा है कि पॉलिटिक्स भी बहुत हो रही है, लेकिन सरकार का क्या कहना है जो सिटीजन्स का आउटरीच है उसे देखकर?
फिलहाल अगर सरकार की बात करें तो ऐसे में इस अरावली के अंदर कई प्रोजेक्ट ऐसे हैं, जैसे कि टनल का प्रोजेक्ट की हम बात करें, वो टनल का प्रोजेक्ट जो है इसके अंदर प्रपोज पड़ा हुआ है, जिसको लेकर के काम भी चल रहा है। और ऐसे में जो लोग हैं, जो आसपास के जो लोग हैं और एनजीओ जो हैं, वो काफी नाराज हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट को लेकर के, और अरावली में किसी प्रकार की जो कंस्ट्रक्शन है उसको लेकर भी नाराज हैं। आपको बता दें कि जो गुरुग्राम का जो हिस्सा अरावली का पड़ता है, उसके अंदर अवैध फार्म हाउसेस का एक बड़ा कारोबार जो है, काला कारोबार जो है, काफी लंबे समय से पनप रहा है। और ऐसे में लगातार फार्म हाउसेस जो हैं उसमें बनाए जा रहे हैं। इसके चलते कंस्ट्रक्शन अरावली में होती है, उसके चलते अरावली में रहने वाले जो जानवर हैं उनको उनके इलाके से जो है खदेड़ा जा रहा है लगातार। और ऐसे में एक प्रोजेक्ट और सरकार का था जिसको कि डेजर्ट सफारी, जंगल सफारी, माफी चाहूंगा, जंगल सफारी उसका नाम रखा गया, तो उसको भी अब फिलहाल ठंडे बस्ते में डाल दिया गया है। जिस तरीके से सुप्रीम कोर्ट लगातार जो है अरावली को लेकर के सख्त है, मगर 100 मीटर तक के पहाड़ पर कंस्ट्रक्शन करने की या उसको तोड़ने की जो अनुमति दी गई, इससे नाराज होकर के जो लोग हैं काफी जो है सड़कों पर उतरे हैं गुरुग्राम की। और मेरे पीछे अगर मैं तस्वीरें आपको दिखाऊं तो आप देखिए इन लोगों के हाथों में ये जो पोस्टर्स आप देख रहे हैं, सेव द अरावली, सुप्रीम कोर्ट से हर तरीके से जो है अलग अलग इसमें इन्होंने लिखा है TR लाइफलाइन, यानी कि अगर अरावली का अस्तित्व नहीं बचेगा तो कैसे यहाँ रहने वाले जो लोग हैं, काफी पुरानी पर्वत श्रृंखला है और ऐसे में लोगों का अस्तित्व कैसे बचेगा।
प्रोटेस्ट जो है इस मामले को लेकर लगातार बढ़ते चले जा रहे हैं। मोहित एज वेल एज कृतिका, फॉर नाउ थैंक यू वेरी मच both of you for joining us with your inputs on the story. Heading into another very short break, we'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.